Imagine you're sitting in the front row of a giant movie theater, watching your life unfold on the screen. Every fear, every worry, and every regret is projected larger than life. But what if I told you, right now, you can rewrite that movie? What if you could flip the script and turn those fears into scenes of success, happiness, and wealth? Welcome to the $1 Million Movie Meditation, where you are the director, actor, and screenwriter of your destiny. Preparation. Before we begin, set aside all distractions. Put your phone on airplane mode and ask those around you to give you 3 minutes of quiet. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in and out. Now, think of just one fear that's bothering you right now. It could be a person, a situation, or an event from the past or future. Hold that thought. We're going to work with it. Step 1. First screening, the fear as it is. Picture yourself sitting in the front row of that massive theater. The lights dim, and the film begins. On the screen, you see yourself facing that very fear you chose to work on. You feel the tension. Maybe your heart races, and a bead of sweat forms on your forehead. This movie shows every little detail, things you might not have noticed in real life. You hear the sounds, see the faces, and feel the emotions as if it's all happening again. You stay with it, watching every scene unfold until the movie ends and the lights come on. Now, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Step 2, second screening, a new perspective. In your mind, you stand up from the front row and walk to the very last row of the theater. You sit down again. The lights dim and the same movie starts playing. But now, from this distance, the screen looks smaller. You watch the same events unfold, but this time, they seem a little less overwhelming. Some details are missing, and the emotions don't hit you as hard. It's just a movie, just a story. You sit back, observing it calmly as it runs to the end. Take another deep breath in and exhale slowly. Step 3, final screening from the projection room. In your visualization, you now get up and climb a long staircase that leads to the theater's projection room. You sit in the chair where the projectionist controls the movie. Through the small window, the screen looks tiny. The film starts again, but this time, something is different. New scenes appear, and some of the old ones are gone. It's as if the story is evolving. You see possibilities you didn't notice before. The movie ends, and as the lights come on, you take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. Step 4. Rewrite the script, the $1 Million Movie. Now you realize this was just a movie all along. The fear, the emotions, the events, they were part of a script you can change. And the best part? The movie isn't over. You are still writing it. You now see that you are the director of your $1 Million Movie. You can rewrite any scene, shift any outcome, and play the role of your dreams. Take a moment to sit with this feeling of power. Breathe deeply, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Bravo, rockstar! You just took control of your story. You've made it to the director's chair of your life. Come back to this meditation whenever fear creeps in. Each time you watch your movie from a different angle, you'll see more clearly that fear is just part of the script, and you can change it. If you enjoyed this journey, click subscribe and give this video a like. Share your success in the comments by writing the magic phrase, $1 Million Movie. Let's keep rewriting our stories together. Until next time, stay bold, stay brilliant, and remember, you've got the power to make your life a $1 million masterpiece.